नमस्कार दोस्तों, यादव क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। और मैं आज आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ 20 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर आरआरबी एएलपी सीपीटी सेकंड। और ये वीडियो जो है हमारा वो इंग्लिश में है। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, द वैल्यू ऑफ कैपेसिटर ऑफ अ स्मॉल सिंगल फेस कैपेसिटर स्टार्ट मोटर विल बी। The value of capacitor of a small single phase capacitor start motor will be, the answer is less than 100 mF. Next question, magnetic flux of the shaded pole is opposite of the magnetic flux that established by the silent pole. This statement related to, the answer is Lenz's law. Next question, a synchronous motor is operated on. A synchronous motor is operated on. The answer is lagging and leading power factor. Lagging and leading power factor. Next question. Question number 4th. By which of the following the ionization process in high pressure mercury vapor lamp is start? The answer is main and auxiliary electrode. Main and auxiliary electrode. Next question, question number 5. The outer threaded contact of addition screw type lamp holder must always be connected to the, answer is neutral wire of the circuit. Neutral wire of the circuit. Next question, question number 6. Which type of winding used in the table fan motor? Which type of winding used in table fan motor? The answer is chain winding. Chain winding is used for table fan motor. Next question, question number 7th. The value of percentage slip in squirrel cage 3-phase motor is mostly up to, the answer is 2% to 5%. 2% to 5%. Next question, question number 8. The main part of DOL starter is, DOL stand for direct online starter. The main part of DOL starter is, the answer is contactor, no load and overload. Next question, question number 9. What is the candle power of a standard bulb? What is the candle power of a standard bulb? The answer is 0.0020 watt. 0.0020 watt. Next question, question number 10th. The slot angle in the main and starting coil of slip phase motor winding should be. The slot angle in the main and starting coil of slip phase motor winding should be. The answer is 90 degree. 90 degree. Next question, question number 11. Lap winding is a, the answer is parallel winding. Lap winding is a parallel winding. Next question, question number 12. In comparison of normal bulb, the fluorescent tube gives. In comparison of normal bulb, the fluorescent tube gives. The answer is greater illumination. Greater illumination. Next question, question number 13th. When a squirrel cage induction motor directly start by a DOL starter, then the starting current will be. DOL stand for direct online starter. When a squirrel cage induction motor directly start by a DOL starter, then the starting current will be. The answer is 5 to 7 times of the full load current. 5 to 7 times of the full load current. Next question, question number 14. The principle of operation of an induction motor is based on. The principle of operation of an induction motor is based on. The answer is rotating magnetic field. Rotating magnetic field. Next question, question number 15th. The main purpose of connected rotor coil to register of the slip ring induction motor is to. The main purpose of connected rotor coil to register of the slip ring induction motor is to. The answer is increase the starting current. Increase the starting current. Next question, question number 16th. Auxiliary contact are carrying. Auxiliary contact are carrying dash in comparison of main contact of contactor. The answer is low current. The answer is low current. Next question, question number 17th. The rotating speed of a universal motor can be controlled by. The rotation speed of a universal motor can be controlled by. The answer is series voltage regulator method. Series voltage regulator method. Next question, question number 18. Which of the following motor had lowest starting torque? Which of the following motor had lowest starting torque? The answer is shaded pole motor. The answer is shaded pole motor. Next question, question number 19. A synchronous motor always work at dash. A synchronous motor always work at dash. The answer is synchronous speed. Next question and the last question. What are the measurements for which multimeter is suitable without battery? What are the measurements for which multimeter is suitable without battery? The answer is only for resistance. Thank you guys for watching. Please share and subscribe and like the video. Thank you.